Hello and thank you for joining us at Easy Cooking again. Today we're making a very popular Bulgarian salad, which can also be pretty much like a side dish because it has a lot of ingredients in it. It's very popular, my wife loves it. It's called a Russian salad. Americans will probably call it a potato salad. It's basically like a loaded potato salad in a way. The recipe will be under description, so make sure to click on there and see what else is needed in there. And let's see what we need to get started. Potatoes, of course. Boiled eggs. Dill pickles. Sweet peas. Hard salami. Boiled carrots. Mayonnaise. Lemon juice. And salt. Let's get started. First, we're gonna mash our boiled potatoes. I took the time to boil them ahead of time, so these are potatoes ready to be mashed. We're gonna get our masher. There it is. You can use any potato masher. I'm using what I have in my pantry. Pretty much just make sure you mash them well. You don't have to go too crazy or anything. This is it. Throw the potato out of that. Next, we can just start throwing things in there. Don't mind the color of our boiled eggs. We're using our Easter eggs. So they have a little bit of color to them because it leaked through the shell when we colored them. We're going to put our sweet peas in there. We're going to put our pickles. I am using Polish pickles. If you live in an area that doesn't really have Polish pickles or you can't find anything, any regular dill pickle is good as long as it's got good flavor and you like it. We're putting our carrots in. I boiled the carrots only for about 5 minutes because I don't want them to get too mushy. I want my carrots to still have a little crunch, so no more than 5 minutes. Anything longer than that will get them nasty. We'll put our summer sausage or hard salami. We'll put our mayonnaise. I know, Natalie, isn't that something?
It's gonna be yummy.
We'll put our salt.
That's all yours?
Yeah.
Oh.
I squeezed the real lemon. I think I squeezed a little too much lemon juice, so throw about half of it in first, then I'll taste it, see how it goes. Because I haven't quite measured it yet since I ran out of actual lemon juice, so I had to squeeze a lemon. And all you do is just stir all this, really. There's not too much to it. The most labor goes into cutting up the dill pickles into very small pieces, cutting your salami into very small pieces, and of course cutting your carrots in small pieces. That's what takes the most time. Everything else super quick, super easy. And of course cutting your eggs. Make sure that your potatoes are boiled well enough. Oh, this is already looking and smelling awesome. We always like to make this salad to entertain because it makes a lot. So you can even halve the recipe if you only have 2 people and you don't want to have too much leftover, but it's really good even as a leftover.
It's very colorful.
That's all there is to it. A lot of veggies, a lot of potatoes, some meat in there. It's a very nice and hearty salad. That's why I said you can even use it as a side dish, not just as a salad. Because it's got a lot in there.
Do you mean as a main dish?
That's it.
No.
Not as a main dish.
Could be a main dish.
My wife's saying you can use it as a main dish, but you know, in my country we like to eat, so it's never been just a main dish, but my wife sometimes eats it as a main dish. So our salad is ready. This is what it looks like. It's really good. I'll get it a little closer. I hope you can see it. I'll try it real quick. Mainly because I want to make sure I have enough lemon juice in there. You don't want to go overboard on the lemon juice either. Again, the exact measurements are written down in the recipe. This is good. It's awesome. I'll put the rest of my lemon juice in here. It's really good. The pickles and the hard salami
Nelly wants a bite.
and the carrots and the potatoes, everything just goes really well. And the mayonnaise gives it nice creaminess with the flavor. Do not use Miracle Whip if you live in the United States and you like Miracle Whip. Miracle Whip has a little bit of tanginess to it. Natalie, you want to try it? Sorry, baby, I've been ignoring you a little bit. Here you go, honey. Oh, now you don't want it? You want it first and then you don't want it? That's okay.
Maybe she wants a spoon.
You want to hold the spoon?
No.
No? Okay.
No.
So don't use Miracle Whip if you live in the US and you like it. It's got tanginess to it.
Me.
And it will give it a different flavor. Use mayonnaise. So that's it. The salad is ready. We're gonna have a little bit of dinner. My wife is making some fish to go with it. We're gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna have some more of that. And again, subscribe to our channel. I really hope to see some pictures or questions or whatever you want to type in comments. I'll be happy to answer anything that you have. And of course, I'll be happy to see that you subscribe to our channel. Enjoy your night. Hey, baby.